Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on inductance of a single phase transmission line. Inductance means the definition is it is defined as the flux linkage per ampere and it is measured in Henry. The mathematical form for inductance is L is equal to N into phi by I, where N is the number of turns, phi is the flux, and I is the current flowing through the conductor. Now, let us consider a single phase line consisting of two parallel conductors which form a rectangular loop of one turn. Okay, two parallel conductors form a rectangular loop. In this, a changing magnetic flux is set up when an alternating current is flowing through the conductors. This flux links the loop and hence loop possess inductance. Okay, in this way transmission lines possess certain inductance. Now let us consider a single phase overhead line consisting of two parallel conductors whose radius means here you can see here the radius of this conductor is r, the radius of this conductor is r, and the distance between these two conductors is d. And in our particular topic we don't have any derivation, so we are directly going to the formula which have arrived at the last, that is if finally on solving this we get this formula. If the conductor is non-magnetic material, then conductance per inductance per conductor is equal to 0.5 plus 2 log e d by r, where d is the distance between the two conductors and r is the radius of the conductor, into 10 to the power of minus 7 Henry per meters. In this, we consider the mu r as 1 since the medium is air. And if we consider this, if we take this per kilometer, then we get 0.5 plus 2 log e d by r into 10 to the power of minus 4 Henry per kilometer. Okay, and inductance for both the conductors, we get the formula 2 multiplied by the above formula. Okay, 2 multiplied by this above formula, we get 2 into 0.5 plus 2 log e d by r into 10 to the power of minus 4 Henry per kilometer. If we consider, if we multiply this 2 with this one, we get 1 plus 4 log e d by r into 10 to the power of minus 4 Henry per kilometer. Now let us solve some problems on the inductance for a transmission line. Here the question is a single phase line has two parallel conductors 2 meters apart. Okay, means capital D is 2 meters and dia of each conductor is 1.2 centimeter. And we have to calculate the loop inductance per kilometer. Okay, means inductance per kilometer we have to find that. Okay, now let us see the solution. That is, in this the given data is spacing between the conductors D is 2 meters. If we convert that into centimeters, we get 200 centimeters. And radius of the conductor R is equal to 1.2 by 2, because here in the data it is given that diameter is 1.2. So to get radius, we multiply the dia with 1 by 2. So 1.2 by 2 is equal to 0.6 centimeters. And we know the formula for loop inductance per meter length of line is 10 to the power of minus 7 into mu r plus 4 log e d by r. If we substitute the above data in this formula, we get 10 into the 10 to the power of minus 7 into 1 plus 4 log e into 200 by 0.6. On solving this, we get 24.23 into 10 to the power of minus 7 henries. And the loop inductance per kilometer length of line is, means in order to get per kilometer we have to multiply this with 10 to the power of 3 and we have to divide the same with the 10 to the power of 3. Then we get 24.23 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 1000. That is 24.23 into 10 to the power of minus 4 henries, which can be written as 2.423 milli henries. The similar way, let us solve another problem. In this, it is said that a single phase line has two parallel conductors which are 3 meters apart. The radius of each conductor being 1 centimeter. Calculate the loop inductance per kilometer of the line if the material of the conductor is copper, and we have to find also with that steel whose relative permeability is 100. Now let us see the solution. In this, the given data is spacing between the conductor is 300 3 meters. On converting this into centimeters, we get 300 centimeters, and the radius of the conductor is given as 1 centimeter. We know the formula that loop inductance per meter length of line is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 into mu r plus 4 log e d by r henries. Now let us find first of a copper conductor. For copper, it is given that the mu r is 1. If we substitute all the given data in this formula, we get loop inductance per meter length of line is equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 into 1 plus 4 log e into 300 by 1 henries. On solving this, we get 23.8 into 10 to the power of minus 7 henries. In order to get the same inductance in kilometers, we have to multiply with 10 to the power of 3. So on multiplying that, we get 23.8 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 1000. Okay, then we get 23.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 henry per kilometer. Finally, we get 2.38 milli henries. This is the answer for loop inductance for a copper conductor. Now we will solve for a steel conductor. For a steel conductor, in the given data, it is said that mu r is equal to 100. And we know that the formula, if we substitute the above data in the same formula, we get 10 to the power of minus 7 into 100 plus 4 log e into 300 by 1. 300 is nothing but it's the distance between the conductors, and 1 is the radius. Okay, on solving this, we get 122.8 into 10 to the power of minus 7 henries. In order to get the same in kilometers, we have to multiply the above one with 1000. We get 122.8 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 1000. Then we get 122.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 henry. On further writing that, we get 12.28 milli henries. Okay, this is the loop inductance per kilometer length of line for a steel conductor. Okay, from this we have solved two problems. Thank you.